title. This is like my first time like actually driving my car after the Flomax Plus turbos, after I put the Flomax Plus turbos in my car. So now today we have to go get my custom plate for my car. I ordered it like 2 months ago and it still didn't come. I don't know, Georgia is weird, bro. Like, I ordered it and then they asked for the address. I gave them the address. They said they sent it there, but it got sent back. So I don't know what happened, but I just left the tag office and they said that I was gonna have to go directly to the state because the plate got sent back after they sent it to me. So I'm on my way there now. I'm not gonna do any pulls in the car for at least 4 or 5 days. I'm just gonna drive normally, go through the gears, no acceleration pulls or nothing like that. I just want these turbos to get heat cycled properly and let them get used to getting to high temps or whatever the temps that it's getting, and then I can you know, get on it and whatnot. But for the most part, she drives beautiful. No smoking, no nothing like that. The smoking that y'all seen in the other video was from the condensation from the car just sitting. It rained. I had rain. My battery died in the car, and for some reason, you know, like with these cars, when you open the door, the window goes down a little bit, and then when you close it, it goes up. So in the midst of me opening the door on the passenger side, it went down, and then the car had died because it was sitting. Well, the battery died because it was sitting so long. When I closed the door, I didn't even notice that it was down, and water got in on the back seat and on the back behind the passenger seat on the floor. So I got to vacuum out all the water. I tried to damp up as much water as I could, but I definitely gotta get that taken care of. But for the most part, she drives good. These turbos to me aren't that loud. What are they doing? These turbos, I guess because they have so much lag, it takes a lot of RPM for them to spool. So I might have to adjust that outlet that's on the front turbo. That's why I have not been doing any pulls. I just want the car to be running. Either I do that or I just get the original V-banded outlets, because the ones that I have now are not V-banded, and it was hell putting them in because like the outlets aren't V-banded. They're just couplers. And these turbos are made for V-banded outlets. So I don't know, man. I guess I'll just kind of look at it or try to adjust that clamp. Seems like it's coming from the front turbo, but that's why I'm not gonna push the car hard, because I feel like it's a leak. So but yeah, so I'm gonna hit y'all whenever I get to the state office. And yeah, I gotta pick up my tag. I'm not gonna tell y'all what it is. I guess you're gonna have to find out. Alright guys, we just got to the place, to the tag office. About to enter my stuff in, and then we're gonna go get the plate. Appreciate that. I ain't doing business with you. I'm probably hit you after I get out because it's a state building. So yeah, right now she's about to go try to go look for my plate. So we're gonna wait on her till she get back, pretty much.
Now serving 2,328 at window 5.
Okay. Probably been sitting here for a while. You said what?
It's a special plate.
Yeah, it's a special plate, yeah.
You have your driver's license.
Yeah. Yeah. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
Yep. All right, got the plate right here. It's crazy, bro. About time. It's been like 2-3 months since I had this job.
So, are you a dealer?
Yes.
I think
Excuse me.
get it.
All right, that baby right there. Let's see what it says. Comment down below what y'all thought it was, or what y'all guessed down below. Look what it say. Oh, that's clean as hell. I don't know if y'all can see. That's clean. Let's go ahead and get that put on there. Oh, hey, yo, that's John clean. I don't even think I got the tool to be able to do it. To be honest, I don't think I got a flathead. I need to adjust the fender. Oh, dude, I got like a little toolkit right here that I use to fix phones. I fix phones on the side too. When you're a mechanic, bro, you work on literally anything, bro. Damn, how tight this junk is. I had to literally come here to pick it up because they sent it once. It got sent back because at my complex, I didn't fill out the pink slip for the post office to know that I was living there in that apartment. So they sent it back, then I fixed it, then they sent it to a wrong address. So it's just like why? Then they had to resend my what's the name again too. Let's go ahead and put this on. Finally taking this off. It's good while it lasted. I don't know if I should put it on this ECS tuning or should I just put that on at a plate like that. ECS tuning, I don't know which way I should do it. I'm gonna take it off. I'm not gonna be rocking ECS tuning no more. It's kind of cringy to have it on. Hopefully y'all can see everything good. Finally, man. Got my plate on. Oh, I thought that was a B. It looks naked though. I don't know if I like that. Nah, I'm gonna put the ECS tuning on. I'll take it back. I'll take it back. It needs to have this. Maybe it's just me. Maybe it's just I'm so used to having this on. But I feel like when you have a plate cover, that it makes it look better. I wanted to say Dynamic AutoWorks need to come, or I need to get one from Dynamic Auto, well, from 1320. They got a license plate cover that says like F around and find out. I need to get that for sure. I need another screw. Oh, I got another screw. I think I might have one. Nah, these are too long. I do have some, but they're too long. Let me check my side. Might have one on my side. Nah, I don't got one. I'm gonna just wait when I get home and do it again. But yeah, there it is. So y'all can see, slow N54. Looks good. But other than that, that's the video, y'all. I just wanted to show y'all that I finally got a plate for the car. It's been a while. But yeah, we lit. So if y'all haven't already, if y'all new to my channel, it'd be greatly appreciated if you could leave a like, subscribe, as I try to do this full-time. I want to be a full-time YouTuber, but in order for me to do that, I need more followers, well, more subscribers and everything like that. So I love this stuff that I do. So other than that, let's get up out of here, man. I'll catch y'all in the next video. Let's go.